Can I ask you a question? When was the last time you stopped and asked yourself, who am I becoming? Not what am I accomplishing? Not how much money am I making? Not what title do I have? I'm asking, who are you becoming? Because somewhere along the way, I think we've become obsessed with achievement and forgotten about transformation. We celebrate promotions, championships, degrees, awards, followers, bank accounts. And don't get me wrong, those things are great. But here's my question. Who did you have to become to earn them? That's the part nobody sees. And can I be honest with you? This is something I've had to think about in my own life. There have been seasons where I was so focused on getting to the next opportunity that I forgot to ask if I was growing into the man I wanted to become. Those are two different things, because it's possible to be successful and still not be satisfied with who you're becoming. One thing coaching taught me: you can develop an athlete's speed, you can increase their strength, you can improve their performance, but if you don't develop the person, eventually their talent will only take them so far. The same thing is true in life. You can build a career and neglect your character. You can make your money or make more money and lose your peace. You can climb every ladder only to realize it was leaning against the wrong wall. So again, who are you becoming? Here's something I've learned. Every decision you make, every conversation you have, every habit you repeat, every relationship you keep is shaping the person you're becoming. Whether you realize it or not, you're becoming someone. The question is it someone you're proud of? You know, people ask me about performance all the time, but performance has never been about what you do. Performance to me is about how you live, how you lead, how you respond under pressure, how you treat people when nobody's watching. That's performance. So here's my challenge for the week. Instead of asking yourself, what do I need to accomplish? Ask yourself this: who do I need to become? Because if you become the right person, the accomplishments will eventually follow. But if you spend your whole life chasing accomplishments without becoming the person capable of sustaining them, you'll always be looking for the next thing to make you feel complete. At the end of your life, people probably won't remember every reward you won, every title you've held, or every dollar you made. They'll remember how you made people feel, how you led, how you served, how you lived. That's your legacy, and your legacy is built long before it's remembered. If this conversation challenged the way you think, I'd appreciate it if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Here on this channel, we are having real conversations about leadership, human performance, and becoming the best version of ourselves. And remember, performance isn't accidental. It's built on structure, accountability, and execution. Until the next time, keep leading, keep growing, keep performing. God bless.